1 2 3. This one is the air in, and this 3 4 for individual shock absorber start. So when this motor is moving and working like this, that time this component actuates this valve, and according to this one sucking the air from outside. They have valve. This is the complete Airmatic compressor in this class 2 to 3, and this is the I open the all components in this compressor. So this one is the control unit of electronic. Here is the cover of same, this cover is here. I open. So after that we have this is the motor of this one. So this one going inside of this one like this. Now this will go inside of this one. We have two lock here, and after that when this motor is rotating, that time this actuate of this valve and the central reservoir reserve some air inside of this one, and also work for dryer. And this is the body. They have individual, this one for giving the air in the individual shock absorber strut. So we have four, one for reservoir and one for